We are at the tree recipe for All Is Calm, and All Is Calm actually has two trees here for us in Atlanta. We're going to start with the one Ken did not show you so that you could see something new and fresh. This is the tree in the middle of the showroom. The first thing you're going to notice is there is a heavy focus on the dried botanicals. Now, this dried botanical look has been popular for about 3 years, but it's really starting to pick up steam, where in the past few years it was kind of an emerging design style. Now I would say it is definitely trending. So we have our dried proteas here on this tree. We also have these, and these come in a couple of different colors. They're in this nice blush and rusty color here. We have it in the dark red, and we have it in this nice soft cream. These stems are doing very, very well for us this season. The other thing you're going to find are these ornaments, and these are glass ornaments, but they have the same botanicals encased inside of them. Now, these ornaments are doing very well. There's 3 of these ornaments that are available to you too. As we move over to the other tree, you're going to see a slight difference, but this tree in particular is all about the bundles, the stems, and the dried materials. Well, now we are on our other tree, and this tree is a little bit more loaded than the last one. The last one just had the dried botanicals. This one has all the icy branches that are coming out. Now, these icy branches are incredible. They are heavily beaded. That makes them trend with us. Also, our little birds with that nice blush color. Now, the color here in All Is Calm are all centered around that rose gold hue. And so you're going to see that on many of the ornaments here. A couple other things that you may not have noticed are these. And these are clusters that are coming off here. They have a nice soft finish. These are new for us. Also, you're going to be able to find these ornaments in this nice orangish color here. And I would say this is like a burnt orange. But this elongated one, we have a partner for that over in amethyst. But this is a trending ornament that is new for us this season. Now, the next stem that you're going to see is this one, and it has actually a little bit of a sequin. And so that's an iridescent sequin on each one of those leaves there on that stem. As we move up our tree, we're going to still continue to see a little bit of that soft blush color, and then we hit our proteas. And our protea blossoms are there in 3 different colors. These stems are incredible. If you are a designer, you definitely want to be taking a look at these. These have a little bit of iridescence on them, a little bit of finishing on them, a little bit of light snow, and that sets them apart from our previous tree that we saw that had all the dried botanicals.